Hello, this is Brittany down here at Subaru of Puyallup. Just wanted to showcase how to install a front-facing booster seat in the 2024 Legacy. So come on inside and let's take a look. Alright, so now we're inside of the 2024 Legacy. The first point is to take your seatbelt and feed it through the middle right here. And then we're going to go ahead and take it and click it in there. Pull it tight to go ahead and secure it. And then we're going to go ahead and take a look at the second tether point. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and tether it at the second point. So this is going to be on the back of the seat. So we're going to lift up the tether point. Go ahead and secure it, pull it tight, and go ahead and lift this back down. And that's going to be how you can secure it on the second tether point. Okay, so that's going to be how you install a front-facing booster seat in the 2024 Legacy. If you have any additional questions, you can always visit us at 720 River Road or SubaruPuyallup.com.